Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini CLI. First, you'll need to set up your development environment. Make sure you have Python version 3.9 or newer installed on your computer. Next, you'll need a Google Cloud project and an API key. This key is essential for authenticating your requests to the Gemini API. We'll walk through generating this key and configuring your system to use it, ensuring a smooth setup process. Now that your environment is ready, let's install the Gemini CLI. Open your terminal or command prompt. We'll use pip, Python's package installer, to get the necessary SDK. Simply type pip install Google Generative AI and press enter. This command downloads and installs the official Google Generative AI library. Once completed, you can quickly verify the installation by checking the package version, confirming everything is set up correctly. With the SDK installed, the next crucial step is configuring your API key. This key grants your CLI access to the Gemini API. You should set it as an environment variable for security and convenience. On Linux or macOS, use the export command. For Windows users, the set command is appropriate. Remember to replace your API key with your actual key. This ensures your applications can securely authenticate without hard-coding sensitive information. Now you're ready to start using the Gemini CLI. You can interact directly with the powerful Gemini models right from your terminal. Experiment with various prompts, adjust model parameters, and explore the capabilities of generative AI. It's a fantastic way to quickly prototype and test ideas. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This tool opens up many possibilities for integrating AI into your workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.